Helps if I'm not muted. That would be super helpful. Also, that microphone is super quiet. Just testing a few things. And testing on the audio in Twitch. Not sure what's working, but we'll see. Don't think I have the... Oh, I think I have the whole thing showing. Yeah, okay, so code is here. Cool. Got a few administrative things to work on this morning. Let's get a bot into chat. Don't really feel like hosting anything. Nightbot's still a thing. Let's go check out Nightbot. That was pretty simple back in the day. All right, so we'll add a Steam. Check out our Steam page. Check out our Steam page here. Let's go grab our Steam. so there is our Steam page. So we will go ahead and do that. Do you work already or no? Oh, got to tell to join the channel. There we go. There we go. Let's add one for Discord. Discord. Huh? Use copy button. I used the copy button. Huh. What is going on with our invite link? Let me edit invite link, no limit, expire after, never. Generate new link. Why is it not letting me copy this? That's interesting. Let me quit out of Discord and restart it. I don't think my music's coming through much at all either. Let's check that. There we go. Now we got some stuff going. Alright. So Discord's relaunched. Let's see if I can create an invite. Huh. Oh, maybe I gotta disable this for a minute. Invite people. There we go. I don't know how to turn streamer mode back on. That was the problem. I had streamer mode enabled and could not copy the Discord link. Alrighty. Let's test this one. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to pull up the Miro board for stuff we talked about last night. Right, so something that I wanted to work on today is a wave manager similar to the inventory database. Cool. Let's go check out Godot. Like, I don't even know what those little bars at the top are called. So let's go check out their code base. Godot, Aster. All right, so probably in, let's see, S construct readme license. This is the, okay, so this is actually all in C++. Okay, so we can create a new stock. I think we can do that without going into C++. We'll check out. All right, let's start there. So let's go into, so we'll call this mob. Let's see, wave enemy wave editor. Sure, we'll call it that for now. So in there we need plugin.config. Oh, that's probably what I'm looking for. Yeah, that guy right there. Cool. So that tells you where you start. Inventory system.gd. Cool. Oh, almost forgot. Let's actually do this and bring you over there. All right, so this is going to be enemy wave editor. Database and editor for usable waves that can be spawned during adventures. I don't really want to listen to this. Let's see. Let's do lo-fi. All right, fill it with a template we've seen before. So is this just saying, okay, so this is a tool editor plugin. Cool, no problem. Nothing more than a standard Godot scene. Just create a new scene in the editor and then edit it. Control for one of its child classes for this tutorial. You can create a single button. The name of the root node will also be the name of the doc on the top, so be sure. Cool. So sounds like what we need to do is go in here, close this out, create a new 2D scene. Okay. Wave manager. And we'll call it editor. Save the scene. Now we need to grab the scene and add it as the doc in the editor. Cool. So we need to save this into add-ons, enemy wave, wave editor. Oh, this is creating docs. I don't think this is actually what I want, but let's see. I think this is going to put something over here somewhere. But I think it's a similar thing. Let's go to enemy wave editor. Failed to load script editor.gd. What are you complaining about? Doc not declared. Oh, well, that's why. Okay, so did that do anything? No. Let's go back and see what's next. It should do something. Okay, so huh. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm missing. It must be a control. That's what I fudged up. So let's go open this back up. This we can change type to a control, save, and then there it is. So it's technically over here. How do we get it up here? Main screen plugins. Yes, this is what we want right here. Main screen plugins. Let's get Obsidian open and take some notes. This music is killing me. Actually, this is gonna be game dev related. Why is this all fucking Christmas music? No. No. Let's find something else. No, I said no. That should be better. Okay, cool. I usually don't know if I'm able to see YouTube. Cool. So probably similar, get plugin name, get plugin icon, on print, hello, main panel, enter tree, main panel instance. So we need to create a main panel. All right, let's game dev. We'll call this creating a main panel Godot plugin. So we still basically need to create an add-on, add a plugin .cfg, configure plugin, create main scene, must be control node as root. That's important. In the primary script, we set up an enter tree and all right, so instantiate, let's just add a code block in here. This is a pretty good piece of code there. So has main screen, let's look at these. So enter tree happens before ready. This function is automatically called by the editor when the user clicks the main. The main visible function is overridden if main panel instance visible equals visible. That's interesting. Cool, let's start with this. So this is what we need to start with. Yeah, those are fine. Oh yeah, I could go do let me go post that up real quick. All right. What was I doing? So let's just take this whole thing and we'll replace this, and then we'll call this main panel. I think that's what they want. That's not how you do that. Interesting. So you can do a const preload. That's fine. Const. Cool. It's project settings. Turn this off and turn it back on and close. And I don't see it. All right, let's turn that off. Close. Main panel, preload the editor. Oh, I'm instantiating it twice. We don't need to do that. All right, I think, so we have the main panel instance, editor interface is just a class, make visible. Okay, let's try that. Nothing up here. God, freaking spammers. How to... No, I gotta go figure out how to do this. Why you make me do this? Am I not logged in as myself? Can I not manage my own fucking board? Why? Huh? Oh, there we go. Ban. I don't know why I couldn't find that. Has main screen is true. This is a tool. It extends editor plugins. I have the main panel. Var main panel instance. And this is going to be let's quit out of here real quick. I don't understand. I turn you on. There it is. A enemy wave editor. Cool. So now if we do things like add a button. Okay, cool. This is a button. Should save that. Hey, interesting. So we need to tell it that this does not have a custom. Okay, cool. All right, we're making progress. We need to reload. That's a good lesson learned. So we'll just say this is a new theme. Probably want to work on this in a new project. It would be a good idea instead of in this project. So now that we've learned this, let's close this out. Doesn't really matter. This is just for plugin creation. Wavy editor. Oh well, it's staying like that now. Cool. So we need a user interface. This will be called enemy wave editor. We'll just call it wave editor. We'll add a button. That's not how I did this before. Let's go look at this one. Yeah, let's do it this way. This way worked. So obviously this will be let's just do main.tscn for now. Alrighty, so let's go back over to here. I want to close you out. Main panel instance. Enemy wave editor.gdy. It's not because of this, but while I'm doing this, enemy wave editor. Make visible main panel. Oh, because forgot to put it in there. That's why. There we go. This is a button. We have a button. We are starting to do things. I don't think that's where I put that button though. That button should be in the middle. Right. There's some other things we need to set. Make sure. Okay, viewport select layout full rect. Okay, and then what else? And then expand vertical size. So I think that's in the layout, container, expand. Reload. Do we have a centered button now? Hey, that's a centered button right there. Let's make it do something. All right, so this should be like anything else. We should be able to do like a test button. We should be able to go on ready var test button equals $ test button. Test button, that's not how you do that. Test button dot press dot connect is on test pressed. Yeah, we'll just do that real quick and we'll project reload. Now, do we have the option? Yes, we do, to see the output, and it doesn't come out there. Huh. So where would this be printing to? Didn't I already do that part? Yes, I already did this part. Like, let's see, if I run this by itself, the button is pressed. Yep. Reload current. Huh. I don't see that I'm doing anything wrong here, but let's just look over. Extends button on print. Hello pressed. Does it? Oh, it needs to extend tool. That's right. It can extend that, but it needs to have at tool. That would be the problem. Probably still won't work. There we go. Yo, cool. So we have a button, it can do things. So what do we want to do with this button? So what we probably want is we want to have a resource maybe. So